everyone, welcome to Love Them Well. My name is Lindsay and today I'm going to share with you what we have been doing in 6th and 7th math. So we had Valentine's Day and we have Black History Month going on right now. So for Valentine's Day, I have been having a really fun time making Valentine's Day worksheets for my kids. And even though Valentine's Day has passed, you can still go get these for free from my Teachers Pay Teacher shop. I'll link it below. But this one in particular, this took me so long to make, but it was really fun. So it's doing the integer operations, like when you have a -3 plus a -8, what do? Put the answer there and then you solve the riddle below using this. So that's the kind of stuff I worked on for Valentine's Day and it was really fun. This one, if the answer is even, they color it a certain color. If it's odd, they color it another color. And this is practicing with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with decimals and how to set those up because it can be confusing. When do we line up the decimal? When do we line up the numbers? So that's practicing those skills. For Black History Month, I got really excited about studying famous Black mathematicians, people who have made a really big impact on the math world. I have their picture and then a paragraph about what they did. And then the students went around to stations and they read about the people. I had a problem at each station, they solved it, and then they wrote down an interesting fact after what they read about that person. And then I don't know about you, but fractions seem to be the hardest thing for my 6th and 7th graders to remember. When do we need to find that least common denominator? When are we just multiplying across and we don't have to worry about the denominator? It's very confusing. So I worked really hard this past month to come up with a guide that takes you through every single step of fractions, starting from I can add and subtract fractions with like denominators. I can add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. And then we went through and we did the examples. Can they do all of these things? Can I subtract fractions by regrouping? I can multiply mixed numbers. I can find reciprocals of fractions. I can then divide using those reciprocals. So I went through and made them all into I can statements. And then the students had a quest about it. It's a test, a quiz test, but quest sounds a lot cooler. So we did a quest and here's the key right here. So I was really excited about this and this is for free on my Teachers Pay Teachers page along with a video I made about this. So if your students need this or if you're a parent homeschooling your kids and they need help with fractions and they're about 6th or 7th grade, maybe even 8th grade, maybe even high school, you can watch that video along with the free PDF of this and know how to do all of these different fraction operations and then take the quest and see if you really do know how to do them without help. So go get that, that's linked below, and I'm just really excited about sharing that with you. So now we're moving on to solving equations, and it's really fun. We're learning about different properties, and I'm sure I'll have some videos being posted about how to do those operations in math. Okay, so this is what we've been doing in 6th and 7th math. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Have a great day, Uncle Richard.